Good afternoon, my name is Mike Oren. This is MIU 1406. This is the week 4. To begin, I'll show you how to create just simple app.js with a label, an image view just for a logo, and then I gave myself two fields for an address and a password. Doing what I was asked to hide the password whenever you type in a password. It becomes masked, and I also have the escape there. Click on that will clear the field, and then in the email address. As of this moment, it's getting late. I've reached out to the instructor for a little guidance, but as of this moment, I can't get my my loop to run correctly for the authentication. I gave myself the only password the only email address that I'll accept, and only password that I'll accept, mikeoren@fullsail.edu, and the password being fullsail. And when I type in both of those, no matter what, it'll go through, and I will still get the error message saying incorrect email or password. So I'll just type in the credentials real quick. mikeoren@fullsail.edu, and then I'll type in fullsail password. Can't see it, but trust me, it's the right one. It'll go through, and then I'll still get the incorrect password. So hopefully I will update this video if I get an email with some help before too late tonight. Otherwise, let me just show you everything else. Clicking on my profile will jump into a profile update screen. Lets you insert, update a new email address. We don't know how to capture information yet, so I can't actually save that and use it other places of the app. But I do have the input fields. I have a check box saying, I want to be emailed about product news or whatever. Change avatar. Text field lets you update your bio. And then I have a picker that lets you choose what school you're at. Say this is a school-based application. It lets you choose which school you're attending. So we're going full sail. Save changes will ask me if I'm sure about saving. That way I don't save anything that's incorrect. I'm comfortable, so I'm going to hit yes. Then I'll go to my location settings. Same thing, city, state, zip code input. With another checkbox saying use my GPS. Again, I don't know how to actually utilize the GPS field, but that's something I was thinking about. And then another picker with a whichever country you're living in. One thing about the zip code, I thought ahead. I wanted a keyboard that showed just the numbers, but those keyboards that showed just the numbers don't actually have a return button on them, or at least those that are included in the Titanium application. So I was thinking ahead on that. I wanted to put just numbers on there, so that would actually make more sense. But unfortunately, there's no return button, so I was stuck on that screen, and there's no way to minimize the keyboard. Again, confirm and save changes. Yes, I'm comfortable. If I hit no, it's not going to save, but I'm going to hit yes. And as for my escape hatch to exit the application, there isn't a way to, I did some research. iOS doesn't include a way to close the application. That's what their home button is for. That's what they use it for. The home button is their escape hatch. So if I just hit home, it exits from the application, and that's my escape hatch, so you're not stuck in the application ever. And you can still move around in the screens as long as you're in the application. So that was my utilities app. This has been a fun month. Week 4 is over. Time for some summer vacation. This is Mike Oren signing out.